Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everybody are keeping good at home and welcome to today's class. In the previous class we have started Unit 1 by reading every success story is also a story of great failures. Now let us continue it. A New York Times editorial on December 10, 1903 questioned the wisdom of the Wright brothers who were trying to invent a machine heavier than air that would fly. 1 week later, at Kitty Hawk, the Wright brothers took their famous flight. So, dear students, Wright brothers, as you know, what did they invent? They had invented aeroplane. Before going to invent such a great machine that would fly in the air, called aeroplane, they had failed many times. It is around 1,000 times. Yes, even though they had got failed many times, they did not stop their invention, but finally they got succeeded and they took their the first famous flight at Kitty Hawk. Next, Colonel Sanders, at age 65, with a beat up car and 100 rupees check from Social Security, realized he had to do something. He remembered his mother's recipe and went out sailing. How many doors did he have to knock on before he got his first order? It is estimated that he had knocked more than 1,000 doors before he got his first order. How many of us quit after 3 tries, 10 tries, 100 tries, and then we say we tried as hard as we could. So it is that another great person, Colonel Sanders, at age 65, as he thought of starting a business, then he had remembered his mother's recipe and he wanted to sell it. Yes, to get his first order, he had knocked more than 1,000 doors to get a first order. For example, in general, if we wanted to do anything, hardly we try once, twice, or thrice. Maybe it is a 10 times. Maybe it is 100 times. After that, most of the people will quit. They give up. Oh my God, I have done a lot. But here it is, whereas Mr. Colonel Sanders, he did not give up. Finally, he got a first order, and also now become a he had become a great and a famous businessman. Actually, what did they start? He had founded the Kentucky Fried Chicken, as you know very well, KFC. He is the founder of this Kentucky Fried Chicken. I think you might have noticed on KFC bucket his photo as well. Yes, and also what is that? It's a chain restaurants. So after that, he had got succeeded to start up a business, and also finally he became famous. Now, as you know, that KFC became a very famous. As a young cartoonist, Walt Disney faced many rejections from newspaper editors who said he had no talent. One day, a minister at a church hired him to draw some cartoons. Disney was working out a small mouse infested shed near the church. After seeing a small mouse, he was inspired. That was the start of Mickey Mouse. And another great person, Walt Disney. Yes, in the 20th century, he is an animator and also screen also director and screenplay writer and all. Right? He had created a Mickey Mouse. Actually, what was the inspiration for his Mickey Mouse? When he had approached some people to give him a chance to prove himself as a cartoonist. So finally, once a minister at church had hired him, and also he had given an opportunity to draw some pictures. At that time, he was started doing the work that was the shed of a rat infested area, right, where there were many of rats. Seeing that rat, he got inspired, and that was the start of Mickey Mouse, as it is so and a very much famous cartoon. Yes, Mickey Mouse. And successful people don't do great things. They do only small things in a great way. So, dear students, if you look into this, successful people don't do great things. They do only they only do small things in a great way. So that means what the successful people all of a sudden they did not do great things. Though the things are very simple, but they used to do it in an extraordinary way, in a great way. So that is the greatness of every successful person. So dear students, this is all about today's class, and we'll continue it in the next class. I hope you have understood that. Thank you.